Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step, and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Bear Loki, and that is Loki, like a cute bear. Basically Loki is a cute bear. It's going to be simple, easy for beginners, and we're actually going to do this in color as well, so stick around for the color segment. It's going to be awesome. And let's get going. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this Crayola brand colored marker. I'm going to go right here and make a curve, small curve for the bear nose, teddy bear nose. Down here, and down here. Pull a line straight down for the mouth. I'm going to have a circle from one to the other, so I'm going to draw a circle there. Marker's kind of like dying out, so I'm going to actually use a different marker. One second, like basically a newer marker. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curve for the eye on here. Curve for one eye. Okay, and right here we're going to go over here for the side of the head. And then we're going to go over here for this side of the head. Next thing, I'm going to draw kind of the tiara going on. It's going to curve right here, go down in an arc. And it's going to curve right here, go down an arc on this side. Alrighty. Going to pull a line up. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to curve up right here. I'm going to go right here, curve, oops. This marker is not that great, so let me kind of do that. Over here. Down. For one. I'm going to draw the other one up here, the other horn. Loki's famous horns. Curve right here, curve right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close it off right there. So I'm going to draw the teddy bear ears right here and right here. So one right here, one right here, and I'm going to draw a curve here for the belly, curve here for the other belly, down, curve right here, up, for 1 foot. Then draw a line across, down over here, curve in a corner here, pull up. Alrighty, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the teddy bear hand, which is just going to be an arc shape like this on this side and an arc shape on the other side. One thing I want to do is I want to draw a little smile on him. That cute teddy bear look to him. Alright, so let's see, this is real simple, right? Anyone can do this. I want to make it really simple for you. We can draw other versions of him as well, but let's move on to the coloring right now. Alright, so let's start out with the horns, you know. I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to actually sharpen the pencil here. This one, like I said, I'm using a mixture of Rose Art brand, Scholastic brand, and Crayola brand, and those are all relatively cheap. You can buy them in any store you want. You can buy them online. I'll put a link in the description if you want as well. But they're real cheap. I recommend the cheaper ones because they're harder to break. If you buy the really expensive ones, they break quite badly. So because they're made for like shading and blending, these are not. These are meant just for flat coloring, which is kind of what a lot of this stuff is, in my opinion. A lot of cartoonier stuff tends to be flat in a good way. Right, so you're getting that. And so this color is yellow-orange. The reason I don't use pure yellow on it is because pure yellow barely shows up on camera at all, and even this is not showing up. I mean, it's showing up all right. But I would go towards that direction, even for you, because I just think it has a better look to it. But yeah. teddy bears are adorable. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, especially the like. When you like, it gives a tremendous amount of value to the channel. When you like, it kind of gives me an idea of what else to add, right? That's the biggest thing. Like, what else am I going to add to this channel? Right there. Now for the nose, I use a pink. It was a Rose Art brand. And let's get into the brown. I only have like a small brown. I have to buy some new ones soon because I have a really, really dark brown, but that's kind of, I don't think that's called for. I want this light brown, and it's a Crayola brand. It's better to have them longer here because when you have a, it's hard to, wait, like it's hard to sharpen this. When you have like a longer like stem right here, longer like stick at the end of it, you can actually, it hurts your hand a lot less when you're coloring. Right there, see, we're just gonna flatly color in parts of the bear, right? Loki's a great show, by the way. Watch that show if you haven't. If you're even remotely into the Marvel universe, you're gonna love it. Tell me your opinions of the show. I believe the as of right now, the finale just happened. Like they just had the the Loki finale. Let me know what you thought of it. I'm really curious. I really loved it. I thought it was amazing, and it's gonna go on for more than one season, so I love that. Kind of again staying as flat as I can, using the side of the pencil to color. You don't have to use the side, but I like using the side. I think it lets you cover a larger area faster, so I like that a lot. Go here. And, you know, it's very therapeutic. I've said this every single time. It's like coloring your own coloring book. That's literally what that is, coloring your own coloring book. So that's kind of what you want to think about this as, really. Over here. You can go over it over and over again. And the more you do that, the more kind of color you'll get out of it. Some people like the light color look, and some people want the really dark colored look, where there's a tremendous amount of, saturation in the color. If you want a tremendous amount of saturation in the color, I recommend really pushing down hard, but not that hard. But like I said, going over it several times like this. When you go over it several times, it'll fill in these little gaps of white. Here. Right on. And that's mostly it. If you want, throw that green into it, because this is Loki, bear variant, I don't know, teddy bear variant. You can do this. I like to throw maybe a heart next to it. Actually, I want to do that with marker real quick. Hold on. Yeah, maybe like right here. There we go. Like throw a heart right there. It'll appear more. These two hearts. And I can throw the green, like green for the heart there. It'd be kind of cool. It's just an idea. I hope you enjoyed that idea. And really, if you enjoyed this drawing, let me know in the comment section. Tell me what else you want to see. Maybe some other Loki variants. Maybe I can make a whole playlist on Loki variants. It's up to you. It's basically, kind of what you guys decide. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. You are amazing, and I will talk to you very soon, all right? I'm Enrique. Say hi to me.